Students, today I am going to discuss about tense. In your previous classes, surely you have studied tense, but once again I want to recapitulate all about tenses. But before that, I want to clarify what is the difference between time and tense. Time and tense are not the same thing. There is a little bit difference between time and tense. To clarify the difference, I am giving you some examples. Example 1. Today I am going to Delhi. Example 2. Yesterday I was going to Patna. Example 3. Tomorrow I shall go to Kolkata. First of all, to clarify the difference between time and tense, first note the three examples. First example is today I am going to Delhi. Yesterday I was going to Patna. Tomorrow I shall go to Kolkata. Now look here. Today, yesterday, tomorrow. These are not tense. These are different times. Today it is indicating present time. Yesterday it is indicating past time. Tomorrow it is indicating future time. And now look here, according to different times we are using different forms of verbs. For example, when I am using today, present time, I am using here am going. But when I am using yesterday, that means past time, then I am using here was going. Thereafter, when I am using tomorrow, future time, I am using shall go. That means this is the clarification of time and tense. Now look here, am going, was going, shall go. These are called tense. These are not time. But today, yesterday, tomorrow, these are called time. From these three examples, you should clarify the difference. When I am using present time, I am using this form. But when I am using past time, I am using this form. And when I am using future time, I am using this verb form. And these are called tense. That means tense is the different forms of verbs which are made according to the different times. According to today, I am going. According to yesterday, was going. According to tomorrow, shall go. These are called tense and these are called time. This is the difference between time and tense. Now, we all know that like time like present time, past time, future time, tenses also are of three types mainly. One is present tense, another is past tense, and another is last one is future tense. We all know that time is three types: present time, past time, and future time. Similarly, tense also primarily are of three types. One is present tense, another is past tense, and last one is future tense. And here, what is present tense? The different forms of verbs which are made according to the present time, they are called present tense. And the different forms of verb which are made according to past time, they are called past tense. And the different forms of verb which are made according to future time, they are called future tense. I am giving some more examples here to clarify it. Example 1. Now I am reading a book. Example 2. Then he was playing cricket. Example 3. Two hours later, he will go to sleep. 2 hours later, he will go to sleep. Now look at these three examples. When I am using now, I am using am reading. Now it is present time, and according to present time I am using this verb form. That means this is present tense. Thereafter, then he was playing cricket. Then it is generally indicating far time, past time. And according to the past time, here I am using the verb form was playing. That means it is past tense. Thereafter, when I am using 2 hours later, he will go to sleep. 2 hours later, it is indicating future time. And according to this future time, the form of the verb is will go. It is called future tense. According to, that means present tense is the form of verb which is made according to the present time, past tense is the form of verb which is made according to the past time, and future tense is the form of verb which is made according to the future time. Thereafter, I am coming to the sub classification of different type of these tenses: present time, present tense, past tense, and future tense. These all tenses can be classified into 4 categories. What are they? They are all of these tenses, that means present tense, past tense, and future tense. All these tenses can be classified into 4 categories. First one is indefinite or simple. Second one, continuous or progressive. Third one, perfect. And fourth one, perfect, continuous or perfect progressive. These are the different sub classification of different type of tenses. That means when I am talking about present tense, then present tense are of 4 types. First one is present indefinite tense or simple present tense. Second one, present continuous or present progressive tense. Third one, present perfect tense. And fourth one, present perfect continuous or present perfect progressive. Similarly, when I will talk about past tense, there are also 4 types: past indefinite or simple past tense, past continuous or past progressive tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense or future perfect progressive tense. Similarly, when we talk about the future tense, there are also these 4 forms are there: simple future tense or future indefinite tense, future continuous or future progressive tense, thereafter future perfect tense, and thereafter future perfect continuous or future perfect progressive tense. Okay, dear students, in my next class I will discuss about the different types of present tense. That means simple present tense, thereafter present continuous. In this way I will go through. Okay.